Hello friends. Ever taken a screenshot of QR code and wonder how to scan it later without taking a printout? Well, there is a hidden iPhone feature in the Photos app that lets you scan QR code directly from your gallery. No extra app needed. Let me show you how. Tap on Photos, tap and hold on a QR code and it will gives you an option to open a link. Once you tap on that link, it will redirect you to that website link. So this is the one option. In case you have a Wi-Fi code, you can tap and hold and it will gives you an option to join the network. You can tap on the join network and it will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi without requiring a passcode. In case the tap and hold options don't work, you can use the live text option. Tap on right bottom corner on a live text icon. It will read the QR code automatically. Tap and hold again. It will gives you an option again, join network. So the next time someone sends you a screenshot with the QR code, you will know exactly what to do. No fuss, no extra apps, just use your iPhone's Photos app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave your question or suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to simplify your tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Goodbye. See you in the next video with another smart tip.